A motorcycle ride to Palacios, Texas, offers a unique blend of coastal charm, open road freedom, and the serene beauty of the Gulf Coast. As you throttle up and head out, the buzz of the engine becomes a steady rhythm that syncs with your heartbeat. Depending on your starting point, you may find yourself cruising through rolling Texas countryside, small historic towns, and wide-open farmland. The landscape flattens as you near the coast, with the scent of salt water beginning to mix with the warm breeze. The road into Palacios is typically quiet, winding slightly as it follows the contours of the coast and bay. Long stretches of highway let you lean into the curves and enjoy the full experience of the ride. Fields of tall grass sway alongside the road, and the occasional heron or hawk arcs overhead. As you get closer to town, you'll start to notice the slow shift in scenery. Palm trees appear, shrimp boats the waterfront, and the air gets just a bit more humid. Entering Palacios, often called the shrimp capital of Texas, feels like stepping into a postcard. The town is peaceful, with a laid-back vibe that makes it perfect for a pit stop or an overnight stay. Palacios lies along Tres Palacios Bay, part of the larger Matagorda Bay system on the Texas Gulf Coast. The bay itself is steeped in legend. One popular story is that early Spanish explorers named it Tres Palacios, 3 palaces, after supposedly seeing 3 shining palaces in the distance, possibly mirages or structures long since lost. Palacios was officially platted in 1903, when the Palacios Townsite Company purchased land for development. The arrival of the St. Louis, Brownsville, and Mexico Railway in 1904 gave the town a direct connection to major Texas cities and spurred rapid growth. The town quickly evolved into a resort destination, known for its cool breezes, bay views, and abundant fishing. Wealthy Texans and vacationers from inland cities came to enjoy the natural beauty and moderate climate. As you depart Palacios, the landscape transitions from the coastal town's charm to the open expanses of Texas farmland. Upon arriving in the quaint town of Blessing, you'll find the historic Hotel Blessing, built in 1906 by Jonathan E. Pierce. The hotel showcases a unique Mission Revival architectural style, adapted with siding instead of the traditional adobe or plaster. It was added to the National Register of Historic Places in 1979, marking its significance in Texas history. The hotel has served as a community gathering place since its inception, offering lodging to travelers and land seekers in the early 20th century. Today, it continues to welcome guests, providing a glimpse into the region's rich past. Don't miss the Hotel Blessing Coffee Shop, renowned for its hearty breakfast and traditional Southern fare. It's a favorite among locals and visitors alike, offering dishes that reflect the area's culinary heritage. Dining at the Hotel Blessing is a beloved experience that feels like stepping back in time and eating at Grandma's table. Located in the back of the historic Hotel Blessing, the coffee shop is the heart and soul of the storied building. It's not fancy or flashy, but that's exactly the point. It's authentic home style and deeply Texan. The atmosphere is rustic and homey. Long communal tables, vintage decor, and handwritten signs give it a lived-in charm. No frills. It's a place where the food speaks louder than the furniture. Locals and travelers sit side by side, chatting over coffee and comfort food. Blessing Hotel Fundraiser and Car Show, held annually. This event transforms the grounds of the historic Hotel Blessing into a lively festival, celebrating both the town's heritage and its tight-knit community. Enthusiasts showcase a diverse array of vehicles, from antique tractors to custom motorcycles. Categories include classics like Camaros, Mustangs, and Corvettes, with awards such as Best of Show and Furthest Distance Traveled. Family-friendly activities. Children can enjoy a dedicated Ferris wheel, while attendees of all ages can participate in raffles, auctions, and explore vendor booths. Hotel Blessing Café. Ms. Helen's renowned cafe remains open until 2 p.m., serving beloved home-style dishes that reflect the town's culinary traditions. Concluding your motorcycle journey from Palacios, the Blessing with this festival offers a perfect blend of scenic travel and cultural immersion. The event not only celebrates the town's rich history, but also fosters a sense of community, making every visitor feel like a local. Whether you're admiring vintage vehicles, savoring homemade delicacies, or simply soaking in the festive atmosphere, The Blessing Hotel Fundraiser and Cars Show provides a memorable experience that encapsulates a heart of Texas hospitality. Thanks for watching to the end. We hope you enjoyed the ride. If you did, please press the like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. We will see you on the next ride.